Alright, spent the day working on this house with WildSouth. Go inside and take a look at it. Mask on. We've already exhausted volunteers. Here's the inside.
There's only one Holly.
Strip the walls out, all the rooms.
That's not necessarily all a good thing.
Get an idea. The water line is up to roughly about right here.
Oh, yeah.
Bathroom, you see the mud that's in the shower. Utility room, closets.
Well, that's the thing. Everybody would have to take more than one. Because that would be all spread out.
This is kitchen, dining room area. Got a bathroom vanity behind that wall we're going to have to get rid of. Couple bedrooms here. Back out here. Kind of hard to believe, but that's what the inside of the house looks like when it's turned out inside out. How many people do we have here today? 15? 20? How many people do we have here today? 15, 20?
Yeah, that sounds good.
About 15, yeah.
Yeah. So, about 15 volunteers working most of the day doing this. So, that's what's going on in western North Carolina, all over the place. Clean up, rebuild.